What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video you're gonna learn how to use buttons, how to add buttons to our WordPress Slider Revolution plugin into its version 7 or bigger, okay? But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content for a friend of yours. After this, go to our WordPress dashboard. To access the WordPress dashboard, go to the browser address bar and search for your domain plus wp-admin and enter with your login credentials. You're gonna be able to see a dashboard almost like this one. Of course, the amount of items may change according to themes and plugins that you are using, but scroll down and to the very bottom you're gonna be able to find Slider Revolution. Click on it. You can create a slider following the video tutorial that I'm gonna leave in the description below, or you can start from scratch. You can previously edit a previously made slider. That is gonna be my case. Hover a mouse over some slider, you're gonna see a pencil icon, click on it, and here is the slider. Let me just delete this button so we can add a new one. First thing first, review the upper right corner of our screen. Sorry, the upper left corner of our screen. Go to add. Once on add, you're gonna be able to find this amount of options. Hover a mouse over text and find a button. And here is the button. Now, let's align it. You can drag and drop it just like this, okay? And just like this. I think right here is okay, don't you think? Then let's change the button colors. I would like a button to be white. So click on the button. Go to style. On text color, we're gonna change it to dark, just like this. And on background color, we're gonna change it to white, just like this. You can even upload a background image in the case that you want, okay? Once on style, enable background image, and you can upload an image of your site, okay? But I prefer just a background color. Then on layout, we can change the position of the button. If you click on it, you're gonna be able to find some menus. You can change the absolute position on the slider, but I prefer to align it just like this. After this, you can change the text on the button or even apply some icon. Move your cursor, apply some space, click on icon, select the icon just like this. I placed the icon in the wrong position, so just copy the code like this and place it right here. And here is my button. Of course, I can apply some more spaces in the case that I want. What else I can do with the button? You can go to styles, and change, for example, the border of the button, just like this. What else? Still on layout, next to the icon, you can see the meta, and you can apply some attribute to your button, okay? There is a couple of attributes, very useful ones. Let's go back to the styles on the right sidebar of menus. You can change colors, positions, spacings. For example, just like this. You can apply a little bit of space to make the button bigger. We have extra styles where you can, for example, apply some shadow to the button in the case that I want, the text shadow in the case that I want as well. stroke, and spins. You can change the hover effect just like this. Parallax, visibility, attributes, and button accessibility. After this, you are good to go, and here is your button. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!